Did you know that when you're shopping for a powered toothbrush, oftentimes you'll see on their box that they talk about their powered toothbrushes as being teeth whitening or able to be doing teeth whitening. The reason for that is because, of course, by being very powerful toothbrushes, they're able to remove and lift the stains off of teeth that are accumulated by our everyday habits, such as we spoke of before. So certainly, if you're looking for simple whitening, not to do anything out of the ordinary at all on your home care level, then you'd certainly want to consider a nice powered toothbrush. The Sonicares, the Oral-B's are terrific toothbrushes. They give excellent results not only for the health of your teeth, but again now as we're talking about the beauty portion of it as well. There are so many vibrations per minute that you could not personally or manually be able to brush your teeth that well with just a regular toothbrush alone. So please consider those when you're thinking of maintenance on your tooth whitening. When you pair a powered toothbrush with some of the terrific whitening toothpaste that are out there today, you will not believe the results that you'll be finding. Not only will you be having nice whitened teeth, and you'll be maintaining those teeth that you've whitened on your more stronger systems, but you'll also be feeling a sense of clean like you have not felt before. The powered toothbrushes combined with these toothpastes really keep teeth very clean, and also your checkups will become easier for you too.